In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends using an invite code, or just invite them on Steam normally on Cloudheap. Press play. We're going to press start a new campaign. Over here, if you want to use an invite code, I'm going to change this to invite code and press copy code and send it to them. Okay, otherwise pick friends only if you want, and just select the number of people that's going to be joining your server. Okay, and create the world. Once you're in the game, you can press shift tab and right click someone and invite them to their game, or go to crew, go to friends, and click on their name and you can invite them like that. And yeah, that's basically it. If there's something that I said wrong or something, just tell me in the comments. But yeah, see it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.